What's up, guys? Today we're going to be talking about a random, could happen at any moment, explosion of your back glass for the Honda HRV. Hopefully you didn't buy this car and you have anxiety because at any given moment it could explode.
The
Let's check it out.
2023 Honda HRV rear hatch glass is spontaneously shattering without warning. This mechanical failure is caused by a factory assembly error where the rear window sealer was applied directly over the defroster heating elements. This mistake creates a localized thermal hotspot that subjects the tempered glass to extreme tension, leading to a sudden and dangerous explosion of the rear window. In this video,
And
we
it's
will break down the
dangerous
exact
too.
physics of why this glass fails and the specific
Thank you, Honda.
manufacturing error Honda made on the assembly line. You will see the diagnostic steps dealers use to identify at-risk vehicles and the detailed procedure for the full glass replacement. We will also reveal the total out-of-pocket repair costs for both independent shops and dealerships at the very end of this breakdown. Owners of the 2023 Honda HRV report a sudden, loud bang that sounds like a gunshot or a heavy object hitting the vehicle. This often occurs while the vehicle is in motion or shortly after a remote start is activated in cold weather. There is rarely a visual warning like a crack or a chip before the entire panel disintegrates into thousands of small pieces. The issue specifically affects the 2023 model year of the third-generation Honda HRV, also known as the GR-body. American Honda confirmed this manufacturing defect through Service Bulletin 24012 and a formal owner notification letter. While other model years use a similar design, the assembly process for the 2023 run involved a specific error in the application of the bonding agent. When you take your vehicle to the dealer, they will reference campaign CO 79703 and defect code 6GL. This specific campaign focuses on the structural bonding of the rear hatch glass. There are no traditional diagnostic trouble codes or dashboard warning lights for this issue because it is a purely mechanical and thermal failure. The root cause is a manufacturing process error rather than a design flaw in the glass itself. During factory assembly, the sealer used to bond the glass to the hatch frame was misaligned. In affected units, this sealer was laid down in a path that overlaps the silver ceramic defroster lines printed on the inside of the glass. The physics of this failure center on localized thermal concentration. Under normal conditions, the defroster elements heat up evenly to clear frost or condensation across the entire surface of the glass. However, when the dense sealer material is touching those heating elements, it acts as an insulator and a heat sink simultaneously. This contact prevents the heat from dissipating into the air as intended. Instead, the heat builds up rapidly at the point where the sealer and the element meet. This creates what engineers call a hot spot. Because the rest of the glass is cold, the hot spot creates a massive disparity in the material's expansion rate. Tempered glass is manufactured to be under a permanent state of internal tension and external compression. This balance makes the glass very strong against blunt force, but extremely vulnerable to internal stress. The localized heat expansion from the defroster element creates enough internal pressure to overcome the tempered glass's structural integrity. Once that internal balance is tipped, the glass experiences a fierce catastrophic propagation of fractures. Because it is tempered safety glass, it is designed to shatter into small, relatively blunt pebbles. While this prevents large, jagged shards, the sudden release of energy still sends glass flying into the cabin and onto the road. Owner reports submitted to the NHTSA describe the experience as terrifying, especially when the glass shatters at highway speeds. Many drivers initially believe their vehicle has been struck by a projectile or that a tire has blown out. Some owners have reported the glass shattering while the car was unoccupied in a driveway after the defroster was triggered by a remote start system. The repair direction for this defect is a complete replacement of the rear hatch glass assembly. Honda has instructed dealers to perform a specific inspection of the sealer beads placement relative to the heater lines. If the sealer is found to be in contact with the defroster elements, the entire glass panel must be removed and replaced with a correctly bonded unit. The repair begins with the technician carefully removing the remaining glass fragments from the hatch frame and the interior of the vehicle. This is the most labor-intensive part of the process, as small glass pebbles can lodge inside the trim panels and the wiper motor assembly. Vacuuming the interior and the hatch cavity is essential to prevent future rattles and safety hazards. Once the area is clean, the technician uses a specialized glass cutting tool or a high-strength wire to slice through the original urethane sealer bead. The hatch frame, or Noine pinch weld, is then cleaned of any remaining adhesive. A primer is applied to the metal to prevent corrosion and ensure a strong bond for the new sealer. A new bead of high-viscosity urethane sealer is applied to the hatch frame using a specific robotic or manual path that avoids the heater elements. The new glass is then carefully set into place, ensuring it is perfectly centered. The defroster tabs are reconnected and the glass is allowed to cure for several hours to ensure it is structurally sound. Honda's official remedy under the service bulletin is a free inspection and replacement if the defect is found. The inspection itself is estimated to take about 25 minutes, but the full replacement and cleanup process typically requires the vehicle to be left at the shop for a full day. This ensures the adhesive has reached its years-safe drive-away time strength. Many owners have expressed frustration because the defect was not initially labeled as a safety recall, but rather a product update or non-service campaign. This distinction meant that some owners were initially told to pay for the glass themselves before the official bulletin was released. If you have already paid for this repair out of pocket, you are eligible for reimbursement through Honda. To qualify for reimbursement, you must provide a paid receipt showing the date of repair, the vehicle identification number, and the specific reason for the replacement. Honda provides a dedicated support line at 1-888-234-2138 to assist with these claims. It is vital to keep all documentation if you had this work done at an independent glass shop like Safelite. The final repair cost is the most critical detail for those outside of the warranty or campaign window. At an independent shop, the cost for the replacement glass is roughly $550, with an additional $50 for the urethane kit and primers. With about 2.5 hours of labor for cleanup and installation, the total estimate at an independent shop is approximately $827. At a dealership, the prices for the OEM Honda glass are typically higher, often around $650 for the part alone. The labor rates are also significantly higher, especially for the meticulous cleaning of shattered glass from the hatch interior. For a dealership-level repair, you should expect a total estimate of approximately $1,062. Have you experienced a sudden glass failure in your 2023 HRV or had trouble getting your dealer to cover the inspection? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more technical breakdowns of common vehicle failures.
Comment down below if you're going to keep your car after seeing this video. I have 12 more seconds to speak. Not because I want the video to be 8 minutes or anything. I'm eating this pineapple poblano guacamole. It's amazing. That's it for the video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.